Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Walsh here. How are you? I hope you are doing great. Today we're going to talk about two different distinct parts about poetry writing. The first part is searching for honest and precise words. Now, precise means words that exactly match what you're trying to say. You also do it in a form that just sounds beautiful to the listener or the reader. Here's a poem called Goldfish by Valerie Worth. Flash, gold and silver scales. They flick and slip away under green weed. But round brown snails stick to the glass and stay. That tells us exactly what the fish look like. They're gold and silver. It paints a picture in your mind. When you write a poem, use words that show how you feel or what you see, and that's what's important to you. Example of this, another one would be, let's say you can trade words in. Maybe you write a poem once, and then you go back and you look at it, do a little bit of editing, and you say, what words could I use that show more exactly how I feel? And let's say for the word talks, maybe you could say hollers, yells, screams, or maybe whispers. That gives a little different feeling, doesn't it, than hollers or yells. Or let's say you want to say something goes by fast. It could fly by, it could streak, it could shoot by. Poets choose their words carefully. So that's the first thing we wanted to talk about. And the second one is patterns in poetry. Now, in the past, we've talked about patterns in reading, patterns in writing, patterns in artwork. Well, there's patterns all around us. There's patterns all over the world and in nature. But poets, you can use patterns with words that show their style. They do this in their poetry. A poet can repeat words, repeat spacing, repeat line breaks, repeat capitalization, all kinds of things. But their repetition brings a real power to their poem. Here's an example of what we're talking about here. This one is called Go Wind by Lillian Moore. Now look at how the author has spaced it out. Also check out, these all begins with capital letters, but the last word in each section is lowercase. Now watch this. Go wind, blow. Push wind, swoosh. Shake things, take things, make things fly. Ring things, swing things, fling things high. Go wind, blow. Push things, whew. No wind, no, not me, not me. There's a repetition here in the capitalization, in the word forms. There's repetition of words, wind, wind, things, things, things. Repetition of verbs, blow, swoosh. Again, repetition, repetition. Not me, not me. Boys and girls, try this in your poetry when you're writing. Try to repeat something, make a pattern. It's fun and makes it interesting. Have fun writing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.